Most people get this wrong when comparing Successware and ServiceTitan. They assume both platforms do the exact same thing, and simply choose the one with the bigger name. But here's the truth no one tells you. The better software depends on your company size, growth goals, and how much complexity you're willing to manage. In this video, we'll compare Successware and ServiceTitan in 2026. You'll learn the major differences, strengths, weaknesses, and which platform is the better fit for your HVAC, plumbing, electrical, or home service business. Let's get straight to the answer. For large and rapidly growing service businesses, ServiceTitan is often the more powerful platform. For companies looking for strong operational management with potentially less complexity, Successware remains a very competitive option. Now let's break down why. First, let's talk about business management. Successware has built its reputation around helping service contractors manage dispatching, scheduling, accounting, customer records, and reporting from a single system. Many established HVAC companies appreciate its focus on operational control and business visibility. Take John, who owns a 10-truck HVAC company. His biggest challenge isn't finding leads. It's managing technicians, tracking profitability, and keeping operations organized. Successware was designed with those needs in mind. But here's the problem. As companies grow larger, they often need more advanced automation and customer experience tools. This is where ServiceTitan becomes very attractive. ServiceTitan offers powerful scheduling, call tracking, marketing attribution, technician sales tools, customer communication features, and extensive reporting capabilities. Now here's where it gets interesting. Many business owners compare features but ignore implementation. ServiceTitan is incredibly powerful, but it can require significant setup, training, and process changes. Some businesses love that level of depth. Others find it overwhelming. Successware generally appeals to companies that want strong operational management without necessarily adopting every advanced feature available. In a minute, I'll explain which platform delivers better value. Let's talk usability. ServiceTitan offers a modern cloud-based experience with extensive mobile capabilities and integrations. It's often viewed as a platform built for aggressive growth. Successware can still deliver excellent operational control, especially for companies that prioritize service management and financial oversight over advanced marketing and sales automation. This is where most people fail. They buy software designed for a business much larger than their own. A company with 5 technicians has very different needs from a company with 50 technicians. When it comes to pricing, ServiceTitan is generally considered a premium solution. Successware may be a more cost-effective option depending on company requirements and implementation needs. So which one should you choose? Choose ServiceTitan if you're focused on scaling quickly, leveraging advanced automation, and building a highly data-driven operation. Choose Successware if you want strong business management, dispatching, accounting integration, and operational visibility without necessarily needing every enterprise-level feature. The key takeaway is simple. ServiceTitan often wins on innovation and scale. Successware wins for businesses that value operational control and practical management tools. If this comparison helped you, leave a comment with your company size, hit the like button, and subscribe for more software reviews, comparisons, and field service business guides. Thanks for watching.